Managing privacy is important, especially while you're using Microsoft Teams. And to manage the privacy settings, you can click on the three dot button right here. Go to settings right here. So once you go around onto settings on the left side, you can click on privacy. And then once you go around over here, you can see that you can manage priority access right here. So here it says you can still receive notifications from people who have priority access when your status is set to do not disturb. So even if your status is set to do not disturb, we can allow certain members to actually go around and then message you out. You can also go around and then manage out block contacts right here. So block calls with no caller ID. So you can block this, or you can edit out block people from over here as well. So you can use keyboard shortcuts like Control plus Spacebar to temporarily unmute your mic during a meeting right here. So you can turn this on or off right here. So if you think you'll accidentally unmute your mic by pressing Control plus Spacebar, then you can turn this off right here. And you can also send people read receipts. But if you don't want them to send that out, like you don't want other people to know that you've read their messages, then you can just turn this off right here. So you can participate in surveys from Microsoft Teams. So you can turn this on or off right here. And you can also go around and view like diagnostic data right here. So you want to enable or disable this. It is up to you right here. There's optional experiences that you can turn on or off depending on what you want as well. And those are the privacy settings that you can change inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.